and I'm here to show you a new collection that I got. I got contacted from Finders Keepers. I'll have all the description in the description box below so that you can go check them out. And they asked if they could send me some of their new products and for me to check them out and, you know, see what I think. And if I could, you know, do a couple of pages using these products. So I tell you, I get contacted quite a bit, and some of them are not scrapbooking related at all, and I don't even look into those. But when it is scrapbooking, I do look into it. And when I looked at the ones that were available, one of them was this collection, and I was like, I'm sure it took me 10 seconds to email them back and say, this is the one I want, because it has to do with books. So it's, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to say it right though. It's Libris Schmibris. And I'll go through the pattern papers, show you what I got, and then it came with stickers, washi tape, stamp sets, amazing. And then in the next couple of weeks, I'll actually put them on a layout to show you what I come up with. And do you know what I love? First off the bat, without even looking, I see some navy, which is really hard to find in some collections, scrapbooking collections. And then when I flip this over, purple, which is another color that's really hard. Oh, neat. It has like all names of books and names of characters. You know, Hansel and Gretel, Pinocchio and Geppetto, Romeo and Juliet. Oh, I love that. Oh, and this one is called, okay, I need to calm down because I'm loving this collection. But this one is called Libris Schmibris Ex Libris. It sounds like something that Harry Potter would say, right? Doesn't it sound like a magical thing that Harry Potter would say? I've only read the first 2 books, so maybe it is something that they say in further books. I'm not sure. So this one has sort of a bookcase, and it says, tomorrow is paper, you are the ink, write a fantastic adventure. Oh, so nice. And then this one, like I showed you, it has the name of characters in books, so you get 2 of each. And then this one is called Figuratively Speaking. Wow, I had a hard time with that. I love that. You can cut it apart and then you can use it on your layout. Oh, I love little girl reading, and then you can kind of see, you know, sort of things that are in books like dragons and pirate ships, and oh, love that. Oh, little fairies. So cute. And then this one is very usable. It's just like marks, and it makes a little square. Adorable. So I love that there's 2, because I'll probably cut one apart and the other one I'll use the background. This one is, oh, isn't that gorgeous with the horse? This one is called Little Dickens. This is so cute. It has a tree and then the silhouette of that little girl, and it says Red Riding Hood, the Brothers Grimm. So cute. So there's 2 of this one too. This one is called By the Book, and this one reminds me of Harry Potter. It's, oh, I love the background. It has words, it has like wood planks, it has a tree, and then it's kind of distressed. And this one again, you can cut apart. So there's 2. I'm going to be cutting those apart for sure. I can't wait to play with this. And this one is called Subtext. I love the pen and sort of, you know, the book in the background. Again, a cut apart. Yay! It's all about reading. Love that. And then the last page is a likely story. And again, it has name of characters. Characters are, no, this is name of authors. Cool. Love that. And this one, oh, neat. So I guess you could cut it apart, or you could, yeah, I think I would cut it apart. But you could use it like this and then just put something different in each of the squares. So, okay, so that's the pattern paper. Now let's move on to the extra stuff. So this is the washi tape. It comes in a little box. Let's see if I can get it out so we can see it better. Now I did use one of the stamp sets, or a couple of the stamp sets, on one of my planners that I write down all the books that I read and stuff, and I really loved it. Okay, so this it's the same as that pattern paper. Well, that's cool. The first one, this one, it's the same. It has the name of the characters. And this is the same as this, with the little hash marks or little marks. That makes a little square, but this is in green. And then this is the same as this paper with the authors. And this is in blue, like navy. So that's really neat. I really like that. Now, the stickers. So this one is, are they just both called sticker? Yeah, they're just both called stickers. But this has words. I love that book open. And I love that bookcase. And I love that little fairy. Everything's cute. Love that. Can't wait to use them. And, oh, I got two of them. Neat. Two of the same sticker. Cool. Then I'll get to use it even more. So that, the dots for here are, you can use them for that, the question mark and the exclamation mark. So that's neat. Okay. Now, the last things is, I think, my favorite. It is the stamp sets. So one is called Subtext and the other one is called Nevermore. So we'll start with Subtext. As you can tell, I've already used it. So I love, I guess you probably can see it better. I love the open book, and I love that big stamp set that says books, 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 books everywhere. And then subtext and some brackets, and she explained. So that's that one there. And then this one has more words, which is fine. I love the words too. So it has a pen, a couple of speech bubbles. It has a ton of words, such as you're neat, books, read a book, coffee, maybe just one more, maybe, yes, no, squawk, tea, ex libris, literally, and you're neat. What a fantastic adventure. I love that. And the feather pen. Oops, I guess I should put it this way. So that's it. That's what I got with this kit. So if this looks like something that you would love, I'll leave their link down below, and they have a ton of other stuff. So again, that's Finders Keepers. Be watching on my channel. I'll have some layouts using this collection. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.